Hey guys, I wanted to tell you about these facial sponges sent over by the Kickleen store. So of course, besides the color, the thing I love most about them is that you're actually going to get 50 of them. And here is the best part. They are reusable. So they come like compressed, and just to fluff them up and get them nice and fluffy, all you need to do is soak them in water. So just run them under the water, and all of the instructions are on the back. Using them is super easy and simple. You're just going to open them, run them under some warm water, let them go ahead and uncompress. Then you're going to put a drop of facial soap on there, whatever facial cleaner you use, and then just go in on your skin. They are soft enough that they're not going to give you like scratches. They aren't going to tear your skin. They're going to keep it nice and smooth. So I love the fact that it's in the shape of a heart, because you can use the pointed end to get in those hard to get places, like around your nose, around your eyes, or around your lips. This is the perfect tool to use if you are cleaning your face for the day, removing your makeup, or just giving yourself a nice mask facial. So if you're looking for something to add to your skincare routine that doesn't cost an arm and a leg and it actually works, I found the perfect sponge for you from the Kickleen store.